These two colors should look terrible if they're mixed together. But will they? We are challenging color theory today. I went out and purposely researched which color combinations should never be mixed together, and I've got them right here on a piece of paper. I've got 6 different combinations. Gabe hasn't seen these yet, so let me walk through exactly what kind of disasters we're gonna make. And normally when we do a video, it's like, oh, these all look good, but which is your favorite? This video is gonna be more like, out of everything we do today, are any of them acceptable? You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, we've got red and green, and what we're going to be using for that is cinnamon red and frosted pear. I'm going to show you each one of the colors before we mix them together. Purple and orange, and for that we're doing Concord grape and mandarin orange. Pink and dark green, for that we're doing fusion pink and army green. Brown and teal, and for that one we're doing chocolate ore and forest teal. You should see Gabe's face right now. Yellow and silver, and for that we're going to be doing sulfur yellow and aluminum. And finally, you should never mix together blue and gold, and for that we're using frozen blue and vintage gold. So if you notice, we did pick Performance Series colors for each one. That way there is a metallic element in each one, which gives us a little bit more complexity and maybe a little bit more chance for them to create something beautiful. Out of this list, do any of them scare you more than the rest?
They're all pretty horrible.
They're all horrible ideas.
I mean, I have a good feeling about the blue and gold for some reason.
We've got a lot of work to do. You ready to go?
I'm ready.
Let's go. All right, guys, we are all done with the experiment, and let's be honest. What Gabe and I both expected out of this was just a collection of muddy browns and grays, and that is not what we got at all. And here's my challenge to you. If you had to get your own personal vehicle repainted in one of these colors, I want to know which one you would pick. Leave a comment below and let me know. If you want to play with any of our paints, we have a ton of kits, a ton of colors, and both peelable and permanent paints. It's all in one place for you. Head straight to DipYourCar.com. Gabe and I really had a lot of fun in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you on the next one.